I'm going to show you how to do a cable stitch. And this cowl, as you can see, is just a simple plaited cable where the stitches are alternately twisted to the right and twisted to the left. And a cable is a very simple thing to do in knitting. The thought of a cable intimidates many beginning knitters, but it's actually a simple thing to do, and it requires only the knit stitch, although you can do purl stitches in cables as well. A simple cable involves only the knit stitch. And essentially what you're doing when you make a cable is you're placing a couple of stitches on a cable needle. You're holding them to the front of the work if you want your cable to twist left. You're holding them to the back of the work if you want your cable to twist right. And then you're working the next two stitches and then going back and working the stitches off the cable needle, which results in a twist, making these beautiful cables. You do need some tools, or it's easier with tools to make cables. And I use cable needles. I'm using this cable needle for this project. And you want a cable needle that is about the same size as the needles that you're using. Cable needles come in a variety of sizes. Here's two other cable needles. They even come in different shapes, but I tend to like this hooked shape with the longer end. So now I'm going to show you how to do the cable stitch. You can see in this cowl, the last cable was twisted to the right, so now we need to make a left twisting cable, which means we're going to hold the stitches to the front of the work on the cable needle and then go back and work them. So I'm going to place the next two stitches on the cable needle and hold them to the front of the work. Now I'll knit the next two stitches. Then I'm going to go back and knit these stitches off the cable needle. And now I've created this nice left-handed twist in my stitches.